Ever wondered why supermarket tomatoes seem to lack that delicious flavor you remember from your childhood? Well, it's not just nostalgia playing tricks on you. Modern tomatoes often fall short on flavor, a disappointment for those yearning for the rich, sweet taste of the tomatoes they once knew. The culprit, a gene mutation discovered about 70 years ago. Unlike most mutations we hear about, this one wasn't accidental. It's been deliberately bred into nearly all modern tomatoes. Why, you ask? The answer is simple. Aesthetics. This mutation is not a random occurrence, but a result of deliberate breeding for aesthetics over taste. So, what exactly is this gene mutation, and why does it affect the flavor of our tomatoes? Well, it's all to do with sugar and aroma. You see, this particular mutation actually deactivates a gene that's responsible for producing these two essential elements of tomato flavor. Without them, we're left with a fruit that's quite bland, to say the least. But here's the kicker. Researchers have found that by reactivating this gene, they can increase the sugar content by a fifth and carotenoid levels by between a fifth and a third. This essentially means we could have tomatoes that taste significantly better than what we're used to. However, there's a twist in the tale. The tomatoes resulting from this genetic tweak don't have that uniform red appearance we're so familiar with. Instead, they display a greenish pallor, which many might find off-putting. As a result, mainstream breeders are reluctant to adopt these changes. They prefer to stick with the visually appealing, yet less flavorful, red tomatoes. So it seems we're faced with a conundrum. It's a trade-off between the perfect red color and the delicious flavor we crave. So, how can we enjoy flavorful tomatoes in this age of uniform yet tasteless supermarket varieties? The answer lies in heirloom varieties or wild species. Unaffected by selective breeding, these tomatoes still carry the gene responsible for sugar and aroma production, giving them an edge in flavor. It might take a little more effort, but the taste is definitely worth it. There you have it, the secret behind the tasteless tomato mystery. Your support means the world to us, so if you've enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video. Remember, every like, share, and subscribe helps us bring more wild wonders to you. Stay curious and keep exploring.